Yeah, hello. Here is Prince from Prestec TV. Yes, today we are going to learn how to create a verified bank account on your mobile phone or your smartphone, which can use for any banking service or withdraw to mobile money. And you can get a debit card which can use to link in your PayPal account or Payoneer account or any online payment account. So due to that, we are going to learn everything step by step here so that you will not mix any step here. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So today we will deal with making money online by using our account. We are going to create an EcoBank account so that we can make money online. So let's get started. Everything will pop up correctly, so please subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of valuable content which we are ready to share with you. Don't worry, it will come very soon. Go to Play Store and download the app, or I will link the video description. So when you open the app, this is the interface. Click on start. But after clicking on start, click on I'm a new to EcoBank. Click on I'm a new to EcoBank. I'm new to EcoBank. Please subscribe to the channel so that you will receive a valuable content: how to create PayPal account, how to create Payoneer account for free in Ghana, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Togo, Benin, yes, and many other countries. Click on I'm new to EcoBank. It will load. Then then select your country. Select your country. Yes, me, I'm in Ghana, so I will select my country, which is Ghana. I'll select my country, which is Ghana. Then I'll type in my mobile correct or verified mobile number. Please don't forget to use your active mobile number. They will send you a verification code for you to verify. And at the top there, where they have written please select your country as well so that you can forge ahead. Select your country first. See, please select your country. Don't make any mistake with this. So go to the top there and select your country. See, I removed the zero and they said select your country. So select your country. I already have written it. Please select your country so that you can move forward. Yes, that area. Yes, that area. Please subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of valuable content we are ready to share with you people. We are ready to help you to make money online. I'm in Ghana, so I'll still search Ghana. Boom. Then you click continue. Yes, it will load. And here again, use open an EcoBank account. Click that area. Click that area. Open an EcoBank account. Open an EcoBank account. Yes, that section. Open an EcoBank account. Then select Express account, which is the first one. Express account. Express account. Select the Express account. Yes, select the Express account and move on. For this account, you can use it to do anything. You can buy debit card from the EcoBank, or you can get a debit card or visual card from the EcoBank. Here they will verify your mobile phone number. That's why I told you to use a verified phone number so that they will send you a verification code for you to verify. Yes, so waiting now it has come. Yes, that's the EcoBank. Yes, I've verified. Use your real name on your ID card so that everything needs to be accurate for you to use it anywhere you go. you are only ready to make money online. Follow it step by step. Yes, you might use the date of birth. Use the date of birth on your ID card or your Ghana card or any card that you use to register with this bank. Use that one. If a Ghana card or national ID, use that one. Then select your gender and male, so I selected a male. Then you click on continue. Please, I recommend you to choose national ID. National ID. Your ID name. Then select the date of issue get the bank account wherever you are in Ghana, anywhere in the world, or any place where ATM is. Use this strategy to do it in Nigeria, Togo, Benin, and other countries where Ecobank is available or working there. So, enter home address. Home address, you can just Play Store and download the GPS. For that one, you can get your current home address wherever you are, so that you can set a order or you can do any registration online. Type your home address. For that, let me choose a random home address. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, because we have a lot of valuable content we are ready to share with you people, so that we can all make it together. Sharing is caring. Subscribe to the channel so that I will be the first person to notify when we upload a new video. Create a profile. Then it's loading. It will come. Let's wait for it more. Please, I said don't subscribe to the channel only if you want to receive a valuable content like this, so that you can also make money online using your mobile phone or your smartphone, because we have a lot of videos available. We are ready to help other people to make money online nowadays. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, open successful fetch account. Create sales digit. Please, for this sales digit, keep it very well, because you use this sales digit to log into your bank account dashboard, or go into your account dashboard. Create a correct sales digit which you can remember anytime, anywhere you go. Never forget to remember that number, or you can write it anywhere, so that when you forget it, you can recognize it wherever you are. Okay, for this one too, I'll cover it because I don't know where I'll go, so that anybody or someone can use it to open. Okay, please, I said make sure you choose a correct number which you can remember. Click on continue. Loading. It is very simple for you to get your bank account. Yes, continue again. Yes, security questions. So choose your first question. So click the drop down there. You'll see, or you'll find a numerous questions over there, which you can select one of it and answer it for yourself, and that one too will help someone who or other people who want to enter into your account. That is, they won't be able to enter into your account. So who is your favorite singer? Yes, you can choose your name or your friend's name or your mother's name. You can also write everything down when you are registering this, so that you will not forget any steps of this. Sorry, it is raining here, so please pardon me for the background sound. Yes. And second question, or question 2, just click the drop down and select the question you want, then you answer it, which also improve your security as well. After that, you answer using create profile, or tap on create a profile. Yes, please share the EcoBank lab, blah 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 blah. Proceed. You can skip and can proceed as well. Forward, blah 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 blah. Yes, let's go. I'll use my fingerprint to open this. The number fingerprint. You can tap on not now, but I will enable my fingerprint. Boom, that's the done. Yes, that's the done. We click on allow. Yes, my account has been created successfully. You can get your visual card or debit card here. Yes, you can verify your account. Click on continue, tap a photo to your ID, blah 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 blah. You can do a lot with this. You can do a lot with this mobile app. We have created our account successfully. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and anything concerning this or any misunderstanding concerning this, you can leave a comment in the comment section so that I can reply you or help you with that.